everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I will make this Sending Love Mailbox Ship's gift box. This is the metal die cut. This box not including many parts, so here are the paper cards I have cut. This is the body of mailbox. First, we fold according to the embossing lines. Then we only need to bend this paper to get the box body. The same way, we fold the lines. And do the same to second border. I will use this lovely flower paper pad as decoration layer to decorate the mailbox. Okay, I glue and paste the paper on the body. Now I decorate these two box lids. Now we are moving to maybe most difficult part, to paste the border onto the lid paper. Actually, it is not difficult, but maybe need careful. First, we need to fold all these stick parts. And glue this strip paper around the lid. Where the first lid is complete. Another lid is a little different. I didn't stick the bottom. Let's scissor off these two parts. And stick this strip separately. Now two lids are ready and we can see they are different. This lid has a flexible bottom border. Now let's make a mailbox body. We scrape it is to make the paper too soft and with an arc. Then we roll it and paste them together. I think the paper stock I used is not very good quality, so I can't scrape it into a good arc. So the mailbox looks not perfect shape. Now let's put one lid onto the body, and I try the other one. The other one lid is actually a door can be opened. So we need to stick this bottom border onto the box. And for this end, we just seal it. Stick the lid onto the body. Okay, now the mailbox almost complete. One end sealed and one end can open. Well, I will use these small parts to decorate the mailbox. I cut them in white, and I will use this sticking pad, a very good use crafting partner when we painting colors. It is called sticking pad, so it is really sticking. Stick onto tip top with grid side and make smooth side up. And stick all these tiny parts onto the stick pad. Now I will paint them with this auto ink. With this pad, we never need to hold tiny papers with our figures or any tapes. And these tiny papers never move. Okay, now we combine the pink flowers and we stick on the body. It seems lovely. But first, I stick this flag. And stick a golden bead. Seems nice. Also, I will use this tiny bow. Stick a bow onto the flag, and it seems adorable. Today the gift box I made is sending love box, so I need this sweetheart. Fold it in the middle and glue. Stick onto the bow. For the flowers, we push in the center and make the arc. Pink flower with red bead is really sweet. Adorable with flower, right? Let's make more flowers. I really love these flowers. They are very small but really very beautiful. Okay, the mailbox done. It's very beautiful. Now let's make a small tag. Written words sending love. Here's my sending love mailbox. Very sweet gift box. The child with chocolate. It can contain two chocolates and close the door. Very lovely gift box for small gifts. Some people said that the lid can't keep closed. It's true, but one of my customers made in this way. So smart and so beautiful. Also, I found several different ways to close the lid. The first solution is use a lock. I found these tiny locks. It is can used on this mailbox. Let's shake it and the same good closed. Second way, I also use ribbon, but it's only used on lid. The third way is punch the holes on the mailbox. My punch tool is too big, so the hole looks not perfect location. Make a remark on the body and punch a hole. I make a big tie on a thread. The tie must be bigger than the hole. Okay, make a bow to keep the door closed. Well, it is today's video. I hope my tutorial is helpful. Please thumbs up if you love my video. Thank you. Bye bye.